What if you could save time, automate boring tasks, and grow your career all with AI? In 2025, this isn't science fiction, it's your new reality. Let's explore how to use AI agents and become future ready today. Hey there! In this video, you'll learn how AI is transforming the workplace and how you can use it to your advantage, even if you're just getting started. We'll follow a practical guide that breaks it down into 4 simple steps. Ready? Let's go! Chapter 1, Phase 1, Assessment. First, you need to understand what tasks AI can handle. Start by listing what you or your team does every day. Ask yourself which jobs are repetitive or time-consuming. AI agents are great at things like sorting data, replying to emails, or organizing schedules. But they need good data, clean, complete, and accessible. Also, set your goals. How much time do you want to save? What's your idea of success? This is your foundation. Chapter 2, Phase 2, Implementation. Now let's put AI to work. Start with one small project. Keep it simple. For example, automate client emails or set up a chatbot. Choose the right tool. You can go no-code, low-code, or even custom if needed. Make sure you know what AI should do and what it should not do. Also, keep a human in the loop. That means check the AI's work and give feedback. Before going big, test it. Make sure it works well. Chapter 3, Phase 3, Integration. It's working. Now it's time to connect AI to your daily workflow. Make sure your data is secure and your systems are compatible. People using the AI should understand how it works. Keep it simple and easy to use. Also, make it safe. AI should have limits and you should know who controls what. This step helps your team trust and use the system. Chapter 4, Phase 4, Measurement. Let's talk results. How much time are you saving? How many tasks did AI handle this week? Are errors going down? Is your team happier? Track everything. Learn from the data and adjust. This is how you get better. Remember, AI is not perfect, but it improves with feedback. Bonus, expand and grow. If your first project worked, great. Now you can scale. Find more tasks to automate. Train your team to use AI tools. Share what works and keep improving. The future is not man or machine, it's man with machine. So that's your guide to using AI agents in 2025. Simple steps, big impact. Start small, learn fast, and grow smart. Subscribe if you want more AI tips. And remember, you don't have to fear AI, you just have to learn how to use it.